many Pokemon cards. Now, let's just get this away. And let's just open the energy cards. They're all energy, of course. The cards, I won't be showing all of them because this will take like so long that the video won't end like an hour until an hour is over. So I'm just gonna show you the energy cards. I actually don't know how many cards they are, but I guess I can tell you guys later or whenever. Let's open the additional cards they put. Well, before that, we should open these first. There you go. Now here is the burn coin. Here's the poison coin. I think that's how you say them. But you could tell me in the comments if I'm wrong or not. Open the dice. The dice. I never really played the game, but I never really played the game. I only played it online. Never really played it in real life with other friends because coronavirus and stuff. I only got into Pokemon card collecting like after when Corona started. But yeah, I've never played with somebody professionally, I guess, or properly. Put the cards here. I don't know what these are. You can tell me in the comments what these are. I've never seen these before. I've only played the online game. So if you can tell me in the comments, that would be nice. Open the packs. We got Sword and Shield, Darkness Blaze. Open it. Here's Morlo. Wait, hold up. I gotta enter the cards first. Here's the code card if I want to get the code. Redeem it. 1, 2, 3, 4. If I'm correct, yep. We got an energy. Hold up, and that mix it with the celebration cards. We got a heat energy. A Relicat. Can't, I think. I can't see the cards because I can't look at the camera at the same time. Sorry for that. But you guys can just see what we got. And this I guess, sorry, we got this Wireless. And we got a Marlo. I think that's how you pronounce it. A Toxel. One of my favorite Gen 8 Pokemon. Is it Gen 8? Yeah, it is Gen 8. And sorry, the lighting's kind of I'll probably just edit this out if I can. Got a Skitty, a Rowlet, a Whiscash, Shiwashi, sorry, not a Whiscash, a Carnivine, and we got a Greedent. Okay. I got a Greedent. That's okay. I got anything rare or something. I'm gonna put the energy cards with the other energies. We got another Darkness Blaze. Are these all Darkness Blaze? Let me check. Okay, no, these are not only Darkness Blaze. They are only. But hey, there are Darkness Blaze, Battle Styles, Chilling Rain, and a Vivid Voltage. Let's open the other Darkness Blaze. With Grimmsnarl on the front. Don't forget to show the code card. And it's 1, 2, 3, 4. We got a Steel Energy. I can't, for the record, I can't see the cards on the screen. I'm recording this on a phone, not a professional video camera. So yeah, I can only see. You guys can only see the cards, not me, before I reveal them to myself. We got a Ariados, a Dugtrio, a Billowing Smoke. I think that says it's Billowing Smoke. It's from Team Young, I can tell. We got a Jigglypuff, a Dunsparce, a Clink, and we got a Marini. I think that's how you pronounce it. Marini, yes. I think that's how you pronounce it. And we got a Torchic. This one's other from the other cards because it looks like it's in real life with an action figure. Nice card art. We got a Mr. Rime, a Galarian Mr. Rime, obviously. It's from the Galarian region. And we got, I can't tell what we got. I can only, you guys can only see it. And we got a Carbonite. That's okay. Let's move on to the other pack. Battle Styles. Here's a code card for you guys. Now let us see. Got a Psychic Energy. Guys, I used to think this was the Poison Energy because it's purple, but I always used to associate the Psychic type with as pink. But when the Fairy type got introduced, that kind of changed. And now I got news that this was actually a Psychic, not Poison. And we got, and back on the video, sorry, that was just a bit of explanation. And we got a Level Ball. Okay. And we got a Morpeko. It is angry in a state. We got a Tool Jammer. I haven't seen this. Tool Jammer, guys. We got a Salandit, as well as the Torchic. This looks like it's shot in real life. I think it is. It's just with a clay or an action figure. We got a Roly-Poly. We got a Blipbug. We got a Shinx Rapid Strike. I wonder what that means. But there it is. Sorry. Kind of got a hiccup there. But there's a card. I'm gonna just show the card in front of you before I show it to myself. We got an Esper. We got a, what do we got? You guys can see it, but I can't. We got a Carnivine. I think we already got a Carnivine. I guess it's a duplicate. And we got a, we got a Bolton. Nothing really serious, but it's okay. We still have 2 packs. Okay, here is the code card. Put that with the others. And shuffle them. This is the steel, no wait, this is the Dark Energy. Sorry guys, I kind of missed it because it's kind of gray at the same time. But this is the Dark Energy, I think. I'm sure of it actually. And then we got a Clara. We got Clara. We got a Hunter. A Flannery, not a Flannery. It's not a Pokemon. We got a Kubfu, sorry. Forgot the name of this Pokemon. We got a, Quillfish, sorry. Then we got a Galarian Slowpoke. And then, whoops, we got a Whittle. There. A Clobbopus. Also, it looks like it's real done real. It looks like it's alive in real life, except it's just a clay or action figure. That's pretty neat. Then we got a Heracross. Okay. And then we got a Tauros. Okay. I think we phenomenal so far with the other cards, but it's okay. At least we got some. Vivid Voltage. Open up this pack. Okay. Got the code card right there. 1, 2, 3, 4. We got a Water Energy. We got League Staff. Okay. Then we got a Charmeleon. Okay, then we got Pincurchin. Then we got a Phanpy. Oh, it's with a little card here says a doll beside it. And the pillows where Phanpy's lying down. Next we have a Duskull. Then we have a Electrike. Next one we have a Pineco. Yeah, Pineco. Sorry. Next we have Mudbray. Then we have Metang. And then to finish off all the Pokemon cards, Pokemon packs, sorry, we got a Zarude V. What a nice way to end the Pokemon cards. And my light just fell off. What a nice end to the Pokemon cards. Now let me just fix my light. There. Now to recap, let's recap on all the cards we got. We got this array of cards for the normal ones. These are all from the Celebrations cards. I don't know if these are different from the other ones, but because they have a 25 there with a Pikachu on it. But I'm gonna keep them apart because so that I can keep the 25 cards. 25th anniversary, I think. Here are the Pokemon cards, or code cards, sorry. And here are the coins, burn and poison. We got the dice. Here are all the energy cards. Here we go. All the energy cards we got. I still don't know what these are. I might have to look it up because I've never seen these before. If you can tell me in the comments, that would be great. I have no idea what these are, but you can tell me in the comments if you want. We got our sleeves. It's in the pack. And we have the manual. It's boxed, which I can put all the stuff in so I don't make a mess. And to recap, we got the Zarude V. Let me put it up to the camera. Zarude V. A Greninja that came with the pack, with the box, I guess, sorry. And we got the Mew shiny Mew. And we got Professor's Research. I think that's actually a normal or a rare, not a ultra or something, but I'll just keep it inside. It looks cool because he's actively painting on the actual card. It's actually out of bounds. His arm. Next we have the Flying Pikachu V, one of my favorite cards we got. One of my favorite cards we got this today, and a Surfing Pikachu V, one of the favorite cards I also. Then we got a Pikachu. Then we got a Mewtwo EX. Then we got a Professor's Research, and then a Zamazenta V. Now that's all for today. Hope you guys can like, share, subscribe, and hopefully you suggest more things I should do on this channel. I haven't been posting a lot because of a lot of delays, but I hope you guys are satisfied with this video I made. See you next time. Finally.